What is addition? Addition means putting numbers together to make a larger number. When we add on a number line, we move forward or to the right. Let's solve 8 plus 7. Start at 8 on the number line. Now, make 7 jumps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We landed on 15. So 8 plus 7 equals 15. Let's try another one. 13 plus 5. Start at 13. Move forward 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We landed on 18. So 13 plus 5 equals 18. Let's practice. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and solve 9 plus 6 on the number line. Let's check. The answer is 15. Remember, start at the first number. Move right to add. Count every jump carefully. If you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like. For more videos like this, please subscribe.